Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something that came out of a Zenpop box. You can go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code Ramen Raider for a little discount. This is, well, I took the label off of it already. CupStar. It's by Sapporo Ichiban, Japan. This is like a retro style one. And this is their Shoyu. So yeah. And we have the cup right here. So let's add the violently hot water. Like so. And we need 3 minutes on the clock. And there we go. Why, hello, Mimi. How are you? How you doing? She's loose, running around like a crazy, crazy small child. So we went on our walk. We went this way and that way. One thing that is really nice, when you go on a really long walk, like 5+ miles, it's nice to know that there's a bathroom you can use. Well, there's tons of bathrooms that are public bathrooms in the area, but the problem is I've got her with me in her stroller, and it's not like I'm going to leave her outside or nothing, so it's like, So we found that the McDonald's has a decent and very clean bathroom. So did a bunch of walking and then was in the vicinity, so I'm like, I'm gonna make use of that bathroom. Open the door and it's like, oh, somebody's in the big handicap stall, which is like, that's cool. Hopefully they'll be out in a minute, because it's like, again, I'm not gonna like let her be in a funky spot in a men's room. Anyways, so waiting and like 20 minutes later, I'm like, I come to the conclusion that this person has decided to take up residency in the bathroom, so we're off. And came back after making a big loop, and they were gone, so we got to use the bathroom. Yippee. But that was the height of excitement of today's walk. Aside from the fact that it's kind of a dreary day and got real wet. Huh. Was it a wet day? There's lots of rain? She doesn't care. She got her cookie though. That's what she does care about. But lately, she doesn't even eat them. It's like she'll get a cookie and then kind of covet it a bit and possibly just kind of lose it. But they gave her one of those, not a sugar cookie, but oh, I can't remember what you call them, but they're really, really crumbly and they're frosted, like a frosted shortbread cookie. And it got frickin' everywhere, so. We're like, should we give her something that's not so, soft? I'm like, no, those are great, blah, blah, blah. Anyway. Well, it's about time for our noodles to be homunculatized. Alright, so now we will stir the noodle thusly. Mimi, what are you doing over there? Are you being good? Yeah. Are you being good? That sounds like a no. Let's give these a try. So these have been out since 1975, but they've been like redone in some way. But they're retro, but they're original. Yeah. Cheers. Wow. Quite a chew on these noodles, let me tell you. Little pieces of kamaboko. Egg. I remember reading about minced pork too. Not seeing that so much. But no matter, it's pretty good. I'll try the broth too. Broth. Excuse me. I'll say this for it. It tastes good, but I don't know so much on the texture of those noodles. They're a little... They're definitely done, but they're pretty over sturdy for the gauge. It just doesn't provide a mouthfeel that I really find enticing, soothing, wonderful, good. Let's see what we got going on here. There's old Rotato. Hello, Rotato. How are you today? Rotato doesn't speak, it's a rotating platform, so if you were expecting a reply, you are going to be sadly just sad. Now, for the benefit of making this look nice, this is a thing you can do if you're just like, and I don't know how many people would be doing this, so this is just something I do. I'm gonna get rid of this right here. More than enough we got. Because the amount, the noodle, geez, the noodle to broth ratio is way out of proportion. It's like, do you even want broth? No? Well, have one of these, you know. Oh, and there's little shrimps in with it. There's one. Oh, it's good. So, that helps a little bit, but not a whole lot. There's really not much you can do. Just the way things are set up with cup noodles, you end up with a lot of off ratio, it seems like. There's our weird egg of the day. That is a double yolk? Yeah, that's a double. It's okay, Mimi. It's gonna be alright. Hey! Chilly chill out there, little lady. Okay? Say okay, Papa. There's some Naruto. I'm gonna slap on a slice of chashu. I know, you're like, dude, it's a noodle cup. It's like, I don't care. As the god of ramen, all these noodles are my children, and I treat them thusly. And then, of course, we need some spring onion. And I'm gonna go with a little bit of sesame. Let's put this over here a little more. Some sesame seed and a little bit of shichimi. Like that. And that is what I'm doing to that. So let's get you all ready for Rotato action, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing like a little bit of Rotato action first thing in the morning. or whenever you're watching this. So, all right, enjoy your rotation. All right, well, that came out pretty good. that egg is just, whoa. But yeah, that happens with jumbos sometimes. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.